In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. To get started, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your settings. From the main chat screen, look for the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Tap that to open your profile and app menu. At the top of this page, tap Settings. Depending on your app version, the layout may look slightly different, but settings should be easy to find at the top. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the Preferences section. Tap Privacy and Safety. This is where Messenger groups the controls that affect what you share and how your account is protected. Next, scroll down to the Security section. Here, locate End-to-End Encrypted Chats. It should appear just below App Lock. Tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats to open the controls specific to encrypted conversations. Now let's adjust the Preview setting. Tap Previews, then switch the toggle to Off. Turning off previews means message content from encrypted chats won't show up in notifications on your device's lock screen or banners. This can help protect your privacy if your phone is visible to others while still allowing you to receive alerts. If you want to fine-tune things further, there are a few optional settings you can manage. Tap Message Storage to decide how your encrypted messages are stored. Here you can choose to sync your chat history and save your encryption key to Google Drive, which can make it easier to restore messages if you switch phones. If you prefer not to store or sync, you can disable syncing so encrypted chat history won't be backed up across devices. Keep in mind that turning off sync can limit your ability to recover messages on a new device. You'll also see options to reset your PIN, turn auto sync off, and disable PIN reminders. Resetting your PIN is helpful if you want to update the code used to protect your encrypted backups. Turning auto sync off prevents Messenger from automatically syncing encrypted data in the background. And disabling PIN reminders stops the app from prompting you to confirm your PIN periodically. Choose what matches your privacy and convenience needs. That's it. You've successfully managed end-to-end encryption settings in Messenger, including turning off previews and adjusting storage and sync options. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials.